Yo, what's up, gearheads? Welcome back to Z Autos, where we talk about the legends that shaped the racing world and what did it take to bring them back to life. And today, we're diving into a straight-up two-stroke legend, the Honda NSR500. This beast ruled Grand Prix racing for years, a 499cc V4 monster that pushed out over 180 horses at 12,000 RPM. It was wild, loud, and untamed, a real rider's bike. But if Honda ever decided to bring it back in 2026, man, it'd need a serious makeover to survive today's world. Let's be real, that old-school two-stroke setup would never pass modern emissions. So Honda would have to completely re-engineer it from the inside out. The first move would be dropping in direct fuel injection, making that fuel-air mix laser precise and way cleaner. No more old carb dumping fuel like it's the 90s. You'd also see some high-end emissions control, catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and a redesigned exhaust to clean up that smoke show. And to keep that power smooth, they'd have to add variable exhaust port timing. That would stretch the power band, make it more controllable, and stop the crazy mid-range hit that used to throw riders sideways. Maybe they'd even trim the displacement down to around 450cc if a new two-stroke race class ever came around. Keep it fast, but a little more civilized. Now, the old NSR was all raw skill and no safety net, but in 2026, this thing would be packed with tech. You'd have ride-by-wire throttle for exact control, traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, maybe even launch assist. Basically, an electronic guardian angel that still lets you feel the chaos when you want it. There'd also be full telemetry and data logging, so every lap could be analyzed like a space mission. It'd be smarter than anything from the old GP days. As for the body and bones, that aluminum twin spar frame was pure art back then, but Honda wouldn't stop there. Expect a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber everywhere, subframe, bodywork, maybe even load-bearing parts, all to cut weight and boost rigidity. And you can bet they throw in modern aero, winglets, ducts, and downforce channels to keep that front end glued to the tarmac. Suspension would go electronic, probably a Showa system that adapts on the fly. And brakes, carbon ceramic or next-gen steel, race-grade stuff that can handle the insane speeds. Fuel-wise, the NSR500 would have to ditch the old gas for 100% sustainable fuels. That's the new standard, synthetic blends that burn clean but still make power. You might lose the smoky smell, but you keep the punch. The real problem, though, isn't the bike, it's where it would race. There's no class right now that allows a two-stroke like this. MotoGP, Moto2, Moto3, all four-stroke territory. So Honda would either need to start a whole new Eco two-stroke series or just build it as a showcase bike to prove what modern tech can do when mixed with old-school insanity. So if Honda really brought the NSR500 back in 2026, it wouldn't just be a comeback, it'd be a complete evolution. The soul would still be there, a screaming V4 that bites hard and begs to be pushed. But under the skin, it'd be the cleanest, smartest, and most advanced two-stroke ever made. And that's what makes it exciting. The idea that legends like this could return, not as museum pieces, but as proof that old-school performance can coexist with new-school innovation. So what do you guys think? Would you want to see Honda bring the NSR500 back, reimagined for the modern era? Drop your thoughts down below, smash that like button if you're into legendary rebuilds, and don't forget to subscribe, because here at Z Autos, we don't just talk about machines, we talk about what they could become.